The headlight and horn are together. You need to prepare a Phillips screwdriver and a hexagonal screwdriver before replacing them. First, remove the screws on the front, follow the cable, and tie the coil. Cut the tie and take out the light cable. Loosen the screws under there. Seat cushion, pull it back in. Remove the seat cushion. Follow the cable. Find the interface. Connect it to the controller and replace the headlight. The installation sequence is: connect the controller interface, organize the cables, install the seat cushion, put away the cables, and install the headlights.